this is Amir. You're watching my YouTube channel Amir Hacker. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hack simple games like Subway Surfer and Temple Runs, and small game you can hack easily. It is not a big thing, so you can hack easily. So I'm going to show you how you can actually hack. But you don't think about PUBG because it is a powerful game. It is made up of highly security. It can be hacked. I'll show you on next video, but it takes time. So we'll start this video. So I can show you how you can hack a Temple Run. So I don't have right now Temple Run. I'm going to install it now. See, I'm going to install this Temple Run. Yeah, it takes time to install. So you have something right now. You have something for time pass. Yeah, it is installing now. Wait a second. Sorry if I'm taking more time. Now you can see this Temple Run is installing in my phone. So just few minutes. Okay, so you can see it has been installed. Now I'm going to open this. So you can see start store. You have to click on this. So you can see this, it is asking not enough coins. We have to buy the coins, and after you can purchase this. It is asking to purchase this, but you can do this without purchasing also. See, it is asking to purchase. So what you have to do, you can do this without purchasing also. You can get these coins. You can make yourself very powerful in games. You can break any types of record by hacking. This is what called hacking games. But you can hack this only simple games. I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to open your Chrome browser. See, this is the homepage of a Chrome browser. I'll show you. This is your homepage of Chrome browser. So what you have to do is you have to simply type here Lucky Patcher. So you can see this Lucky Patcher. You have to click on this. Next step will be you can see this starting of link www.luckypatcher.com. So you have to click on this. Yeah, so you can see this open page. So you have to scroll down, just scroll down, go down. So this is your icon of Lucky Patcher. Okay, you scroll down. So you can see this mirror link. In this you have to download files, APK files. So what you have to download is you have to download LP installer media file. You have to download only this. So you have to click on this. Okay, see, this is your zip file. It has been already ready to download. So you have to click on simply download. So your download is been starting here. So you have to click on simply OK. Now it is started downloading. Downloading is started. So I don't want to install this because I have already installed it. So I have to simply come back. As you saw in Temple Run, you have to buy the coins, you have to purchase the coin, but you can do without purchasing also. So you have, after installing Lucky Patcher, you can see this icon. It look like this, your icon. So simply you have to click on this. So you have to search now here, where is Temple Run. So you can see this Temple Run. So you have to click on this. Okay. So next you can see this menu of patches. Yeah. You can click on this. It is asking the create modified APK file. Okay, I want to create, so click on this. So you can see this many options. So what you have to do is now you can do many things with this Lucky Patcher. You can remove your Google ads also, but I don't want to remove that. I want to show you how you can make your high scores with purchasing more coins. So you have to click on APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. So you have to click on this. So it is asking to rebuild the app. That means you are going to rebuild again. You have to reinstall the app again. So don't worry, it is not going to take your MB. It is going to install on your Lucky Patches only. It is just patching your app with Lucky Patcher. So you are going to simply click on rebuild the app. I think I'm taking a more time, so please sit back. I'm a new on YouTube, so please subscribe my channel. Support me, guys. I'll come up with new videos. So to watch my new videos, you have to click on bell icons to be notified my videos. Okay, it is patching. After 6 has been patched, so you have to wait for few seconds. Yeah, you can see this, it has been succeeded. One patch has been failed, so don't worry, you have to simply go to file. Hey guys, listen, follow what I say. You can easily purchase more coins, you can bet anyone, you can break any record. So you have to click on now, go to file, please follow. Yeah, now you can see there's more options. So what you have to do is you have to reinstall it again. That means you're going to patch with Lucky Patcher. Simply click on yes. Now it is asking, do you want to uninstall this app? Yes, I want to. You don't worry, it is not uninstalling, it is reinstalling. See, now it is asking to install. Okay, okay, it has been finished. Okay, now you have to just remove. So you have to open again your temple run. Okay, come to home page of temple run. Yeah, this is your home page, so you can start purchasing anything. Say this is enable 50 coins, you can purchase enough of coins. See, you don't have enough coins, you can buy the enough coins. See, it was asking to purchase, but you can purchase enough of coins with Lucky Patcher. See, you can purchase, yes. See, you can see this 1,58,750. See, I'll just buy this. See, now you can increase many numbers of coins. By this way you can break your friend records. So this is only applicable or available, or it works for simple games. You cannot hack like PUBG's games. So I hope you like this videos. I'll come up with new videos. So guys, please, before going back, I would like to ask you, please subscribe my channel. I'm new on YouTube, and click on bell icons to be notified each my new videos. Okay, so thank you guys, I'll come back. Bye.